Gen Z is growing up in a fast-paced world. Information never stops flowing, academic demands continue to grow, and competition has become increasingly intense. Despite the many advantages of modern technology, young people often face pressures that are not always visible. Academic stress, the pressure to succeed, and uncertainty about the future have become part of everyday life for many college students.
That is why the library is one of the places most frequently chosen by college students to study, participate in discussion, and prepare for assessment, presentation, and examination. A quiet and supportive learning environment helps students stay focused, better understand the material, and future develop their academic abilities. Every student strives to achieve the best possible academic outcomes. However, despite their determination to succeed, not everyone is able to manage academic pressure in healthy ways. When stress is not managed effectively, individuals may become more vulnerable to making poor decisions in attempt to cope with the pressure they are experiencing.
Studying in 4 hours does not always make difficult concepts easier to understand. As time-based fighting set in, the mind becomes overwhelmed, and the picture continues to build in moments like this. People are often more vulnerable to outside influences, especially when they are offered something that promises temporary relief from stress. Curiosity with pressure and the desire to feel more relaxed are some of the reasons why many adolescents and young adults begin experimenting with alcohol. Unfortunately, what seems like an easy solution is often the beginning of the much bigger problem.
Alcohol is a psychoactive substance found in alcoholic beverage. Once it enters the body, it affects the central nervous system, altering the way a person thinks, feels, and responds to their surroundings. At first, alcohol may create a temporary feeling of relaxation or make worries seem less overwhelming. However, this effect is only short-lived. As the alcohol wears off, but the brain and the body are left to deal with its harmful consequences.
As alcohol consumption increases, it becomes increasingly difficult to maintain self-control and make sound decisions.
However, the effects of alcohol do not disappear once the feeling of intoxication fades. Research has shown that alcohol can impair the function of the hippocampus, the region of the brain responsible for learning and memory formation. As a result, it becomes more difficult to concentrate, retain new information, and remember recent conversation or lessons. For college students, this effect can interfere with learning, reduce academic performance, and impair the ability to make informed and responsible decisions.
Fortunately, there are friends who truly care. A true friend is not someone who encourages harmful behavior, but someone who has the courage to speak up when they see us making unhealthy choices. Sometimes, a simple conversation can be the first step toward positive change.
Managing stress is never easy, but alcohol is not the answer. There are many hard ways to protect your mental well-being, such as getting enough sleep, exercising regularly, enjoying your favorite hobbies, talking with trusted friends or family members, and seeking professional support when needed. Simple healthy choices like this can help us maintain both our physical and mental well-being.
Say no to alcohol, say yes to a bright future. Strong generation, strong mind, great achievement.